Good afternoon, all of you, once again. Welcome back to the class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Let's continue with the topic. Children, in the previous class, we had done the
Your
definition.
voice is disconnecting.
Yes, you speak loudly. Is it audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Children, after doing the definition of email, advantages, disadvantages, features of a good email, now let's start with the format of the email or format of email. I have written some points. These are not all the points. Let me explain you the points one by one. Children, the first thing which you have to do is there will be a column 2. There will be a space for entering the email address of the recipient, the person to whom you want to send the email. You will write the email address of that person in the first point in 2, in the column 2, TO2. Usually, children, the email address of a person is in small letters only. All the letters are small letters only. This is the first point. You will write the email address. You will enter the email address of the recipient who is sending the email. Here you will enter the email address of the sender. It is also in small letters. There will be a small box, long box. There you will enter the email address of the sender. The first point is email address of the receiver, then the email address of the sender. Very important point here, date and time. This is very important. You have to mention the date when you are writing the letter or when you are sending the letter, and the time will also be there, right? You have to write the time also, date and time when you are writing or sending the email. Date and time when the email is written or sent. It is also in a small box. When you open an email, you will see there is a long rectangular box where you have to fill the things. First point, fill the email address of the receiver, then the email address of the sender, then date and time when the email is written, the time when the email is sent. Then the next column is CC and BC. Children, fourth and fifth point, these are optional. These are optional points. Okay, if you want to add them, it's okay. If you don't want to add them, then also it's okay. But my advice is you better add them while making an email. C means carbon copy. Suppose you are sending the email to Rahul. Suppose my friend is Rahul to Rahul this email. So I suppose I want to send the same email to my other friend named Balram or Sumit. So here I can make the carbon copy. In carbon copy, I will enter the email address of other people who would like to know the contents of the email. But the thing is, they are not required to act. They will not give the answer. Who will give the answer? Rahul will give the answer because I am actually writing or I am actually addressing the email to Rahul. So Rahul will act. Rahul will give me the answer. Rahul will give the response. Here I have already I have sent the letter to Sumit and Balram also. Sumit and Balram will receive the same letter, but they will not act. They will not answer. Who will answer? Only Rahul. And one more thing is there. Small letters in a small box, that you know, because email address is usually in small letters. Here, children, if I am sending the same email to Balram and Sumit, now Rahul also knows that the same email is received by Balram and Sumit. Balram knows the email is received by Rahul and Sumit. Knows the email is received by Balram. So this is the principle. the email address to visible to all. I mean, Rahul, Balram, Sumit, they can see the address of each other, and they know that the same letter, the same message is sent to 3 persons. Now comes the fifth point, BCC. BCC means blind carbon copy. Carbon copy, children, here also the same thing happens. Like in CC, carbon copy, here also the carbon copy is there. But whoever has got the mail, but in BCC, for example, I have written the email to Rahul, then I have done the carbon copy to Balram and Sumit. Suppose I have two more friends, Tushar and Rohit. I have sent the BCC to Tushar and Rohit. The same mail will be sent to Tushar and Rohit, but Tushar and Rohit will not come to know whether the same email is received by Rahul, Balram, Sumit, and Rohit. Rohit will never come to know whether this mail is given to Rohit only or it is received by Sumit, Balram, Rahul, and Tushar also. So here, blind carbon copy, you will enter the email address of other people, but they will not act. Who will act? Rahul will act, because actually, who is the actual recipient of the email? Rahul. So this is the meaning of carbon copy. Blind carbon copy, space for entering the email address of other people who would like to know the contents of the email but are not required to act. Email address entered here will not be visible to the other people entered in to and CC. In 2 also we have one receiver. In CC also we have 2 receivers. Now these 3 receivers will never come to know whether this email will be so once a small box. So who else has got a thus in the 6th point you will write the subject. Children, why do we write the subject? Subject makes us easy. Why do we write the subject? So that the receiver comes to know what is the email all about. Immediately he will come to know the email is related to the receiver, or maybe he has to give that email to somebody else. This is the 6th point. Is there in the subject, main topic of the email in brief. In a small box. Suppose you are sending the result of something. So you can write the result of monthly exam September 2020. So this will be the subject of the email. Immediately the person will come to know I hope 6 points are clear to you.
Yes, sir.
Now comes the 7th point. 7th point is the body. Body or the content of the email. The actual email. Body or content. Body or content of the email. what is there in this? Here also there are different points. The first point is salutation. The first point is salutation. In body of the email, first of all, we will write the salutation. In salutation, you can write dear sir or dear madam. Or Arun. Arun is the name of a person. Dear brother, dear mother, or dad, sister, whatever the case may be. This is the first point in seventh point, that is salutation. After salutation, you will write content. Then comes the content or body. Here, what will happen? Main message with relevant information. Main message with relevant information. It is to be included, and in this case, grammar should be correct and accuracy should be there. Grammar and accuracy should be there in this body. So what will happen after the body or the content? Can you guess the next point?
And
Next point will be closing remark.
Closing remark.
Closing remark will be there. Here you can write with regards, or you can write yours faithfully, whatever the case may be. Sender. Here designation will be added. Designation will be added in case of formal email. Children, suppose you are writing a formal email, then you have to describe your designation also. But if you are writing an email to your friend, to your family members, then no need to write anything else, just your name is sufficient. Their seventh point is complete. In seventh point, you will add salutation, content, closing remark, and name of the sender. Now your email is complete. Let's see the next point. After you have composed the email, you will see three options. Three options of one option will be send, then the second option will be save draft, then the third option will be discard. These three options will be in small boxes. Save, discard, right, in a small box. Separately. So these are the options which are given to us. And the last point is put the email in a box. Put the email in a box. This is the format of email writing. When you compose an email on the email ID, all these things will be already there. These three boxes will be there. The option of to will be there. Option of from. Then for space for subject will be given. Date and time. All these things will be there. But when you are writing, when you are making an email in an examination hall, then you have to replicate the email as you see the email on the internet. Okay, this is the format. This is how you will make the email. So children, definition is done, advantages, disadvantages, features of a good email, and format of an email is when email is done. These 5 things. Now the topic is complete. Now example is left. Let's do one example. In example, what will we do? We will apply all these points in the email. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Let's continue. With the question is write an email. Write an email to your friend. Friend inviting him to spend vacation with you, to spend winter vacation with you. Children, this is the question. Instead of writing a letter to your friend, you are writing an email to your friend and you invite your friend for summer vacation. What will we do? What is the first point? The first point is we will write to. Before starting the email writing, make a box. Start the box. You will, so that you do everything inside a box. What to? Suppose you are writing a letter to Rajesh. Rajesh underscore Kumar 16 at the rate gmail.com. This is the address of the receiver. We are writing this letter to this email address. Please don't confuse this email address with the name of the sender. Name of the sender can, name of the receiver. Name of the receiver can be different also. Email address is not a guarantee that email address is matching with the name of the person. It can be any email address. Then the next option, what is the second point? From. Who is writing the letter? Rohit underscore AJAT at yahoo.com. This is the sender. Second is the sender. First is the receiver. Don't confuse the email address with the name of the sender or receiver. They may or may not match. Then next point is date. Like today is 2nd November 2020 and the time is 1:55 p.m. So put this also in a box. This is the third point. This is the third point. Now let's continue with the fourth point. What is the fourth point? Carbon copy. Carbon copy. Ankit gmail.com. Ankur198 at gmail.com. Children, this is the address. This is the email address of 2 people. One is Ankit Raheja at gmail. Shweta, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Next is BCC. BCC, blind carbon copy. Rahul underscore Sharma 1938 at gmail.com. This is the address of blind carbon copy. Now this person has received this mail, but he does not know 1, 2, 3 more people have received the same mail. These two people know that this person has received the mail, but this person does not know. What is the next? What is the next point? Subject. The next point is subject. What is the subject? Subject is inviting
For dinner.
friend for winter vacation. Okay. How many points are done? Put it in a small box. How many points are done?
Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
6 points are done.
Yes, sir.
Six points are done. Now let's continue with the 7th point. 7th point is the first point in 7th point. A part is you will write the name of the friend. What is the name of the friend? Let's write Dear Rajesh. This is the salutation. Dear Rajesh is the salutation. Let's continue with the body of the letter now. I wish to inform you that I wish to inform you that my school is getting closed from 25th December. So my school is getting closed from 25th December. We have holidays for 10 days. We have holidays for 10 days. That is from 25th December to 4th January. The thing which excites me, the thing which excites me the most, the thing which excites me the most is that your school will also, children, this letter continues at the top.
Yes, sir.
Shweta, how much time is left?
Sir, 8 minutes are left.
Oh, don't worry. In 8 minutes, we'll be able to finish this email.
Yes, sir.
What excites me the most is that your school will also have a winter break in the same month and time. So your time is also same. My time is also same. So common holidays are there. So I invite you. So I invite you to come to stay, to come to stay with me at my house, at my house to spend your winter vacation with us. We are planning to visit. We are planning to visit Shimla, Kashmir, and Leh Ladakh. This is your planning. The weather there will be quite good. The weather there will be quite good for ice skating. Ice skating. If you come with me, if you come with me, we will have a great time together. We will have long walks. We will have long walks, talks, and do lot of fun. We will forget, we will, we will forget our daily routine and enter a new world of beauty and wonder. I hope you will be there with us. I hope you will be there with us. With us. Hope to get your positive reply. Hope to get your positive reply. Children, the body of the letter is complete now. Now comes the closing remark. With regards, Navpreet Kaur, or only Navpreet. With regards, Navpreet. Children, this is the closing remark. This is the name of the sender. Now the last point, 3 buttons will be there. Send. Then next point is save draft. Save draft. And the next point is discard. Discard. Now you can close the box. So we have closed the box. Children, this is email writing. So in this email, we have written the email address of the receiver, email address of the sender, then date and time, then carbon copy, email address of the receiver who are not required to act, then blind carbon copy, email address of the receiver who are not required to act, but they are not clear to the people into and carbon copy. Then the subject, then the 7 point is body of the letter. In body or content of the letter, we have written salutation, content of the email, closing remark, and the name of the sender. And the last one is send save draft. If you want to save it, save draft. If you want to discard it, discard. If you want to send, you will send it from here. Children, with this, we finish the topic of email writing. Shweta, of email, disadvantages of email, features of a good email, then format of an email. Then we have done one example where we have applied all the steps done in the format of email. With the topic of email, I hope you must have got a good idea of the email, and I hope you will be able to compose a good email in your daily life also when you are using the email ID. And I hope you will be able to compose a good email in the examination hall also.
Yes.
Thank you very much.